beaters, it's me, Mandy. Hoping everyone is doing well. Like my earrings? I designed them about 3 years ago. And for those of you who've been following me on Facebook for a while, every so often you see them pop up and you're just like, okay, when is she going to publish that tutorial? And I can't believe I've held on to this design for 3 years. And it's also been over 2 years since I've done a free tutorial. So on March 1st, 2019, in 2 weeks, at Friday, you will be able to watch a free video demo and download the tutorial to make these earrings, my gala earrings. All you need to know is tubular herringbone. That's it, and I'll help guide you through the rest of the steps. It's actually pretty easy. I would say a level 2, so it's not too complicated. So look out for that announcement in about 2 weeks, March 1st. But even though that's really good news, it's not the reason I'm doing this video. Also on March 1st, for those of you who have signed up for my email newsletter, I will pull names for 4 beaters, 4 contest winners, to receive this kit in the mail. Absolutely free. 4 beaters. Let's go ahead and make that number 5. So 5 lucky beaters will receive this kit in the mail absolutely free. So as far as the rules, what do you have to do? It's a free contest, no purchase necessary. Sign up for my email newsletter. All I need is your first and last name and your email address. Be at least 18 years of age. Also, be a beater. I have a few friends that have been trying to purchase kits from me. Really good personal friends I've known for a while. Never picked up a seed bead in their life, so you know who I'm talking to. So at least be a beater. And also live within United States, Canada, and the UK. So for those 3 countries. So those are the rules. That's absolutely it. You have between now and the end of this month to go ahead and sign up for my email newsletter. And your sign up is an entry. And I will pull names Friday, March 1st. And I will make an announcement on Facebook and also here on YouTube who the 5 lucky winners are. So this is really exciting. I can't wait to see who's going to win because it's completely random. I don't even know who's going to win. So I'm really excited about it. So there you go. Gala earrings, free tutorial coming out, and free kit giveaway for 5 beaters. So also while I'm here, I just finished my Atara pendant. And these 2 really pretty colors, but I'll be offering the kit in 3 more colors too, so 5 colors total. Absolutely beautiful pendant. I'm really happy with the way this came out. And you just need to know tubular herringbone and cubic right angle weave. But as far as it being an earring, if it looks kind of familiar, it is based off of this shape here, but done completely differently. But I think it'll make a really pretty earring too. It's about 3 inches long, so it's not that much bigger than the earrings I'm wearing now. So if you want to make them into earrings, I don't see why not. Be really pretty for a really fancy event or a wedding. Yeah. So there you go. That's my news. So yeah, go ahead, sign up for the email newsletter. You have between now and the end of the month, and I will pull names on the 1st of March. March roar in like a lion with 5 kit giveaways. Again, I'm really excited. So there you go. That's my news. Go ahead, sign up. Don't miss out. And yeah, I will talk to you all in about 2 weeks. Happy beating. Bye.